everyone, this is Paige from Mosaic Moments. In this video, I am just showing a quick tutorial of the 3x3 graphic frame die. This die, of course, is great for highlighting photos on your scrapbook pages. Today you will be introduced to how this die can be used, and I will be showing how to add a little dimension. So hopefully my camera will show this well, but you can see the graphic frame is thicker and it's raised higher than my photo. It looks as if I really did put my photo in a frame, and I think it adds interesting depth. This is a really simple trick you can do at home. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is use my graphic frame die to cut some cardstock, and I'm going to do this twice. You don't have to do it twice if you don't want to, but I want it to be a little more thick. And I'm just using my tweezers to get the frame part out, and there it is. Right now I am using the die again to cut the frame that will be placed on top. So this will be the color everyone will see when my layout is finished. The cardstock will be layered underneath this one. So I found some cute floral paper, and I am using the graphic frame die again to cut out the 4 corners. After I scroll it through the machine, I'm going to take out each corner, and you may want to keep them in order if you don't want to mess up the pattern you cut with the die. So now I have my 4 corners, and now I'll be using them to fill my frame. For the last time, I will be using my frame to cut my photo. I'm lining up my subject within the center square here. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'm just going to roll it through the machine, and it's done. Alright, so now all of my pieces are cut, and first I'm going to take one of my frames that I cut with the cardstock and place it directly on the grid paper. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. Now you will want to fill in the 4 corners and the center space. Here I used my Xyron sticker machine to make these 4 corners sticky. So you will definitely want to fill it in at this point, because trust me, I've tried. You don't want to do the layering because that'll make it more difficult to fill it in later. So after you have filled in your frame, you will add the second cardstock frame for 1 layer. And last, you'll put on your final frame on top of the cardstock layers, and it's all finished. And you can see that it's thick again, and now I'm all done. Here is my final layout. I think the graphic frame was a great choice for this wedding page. It works well for all kinds of formal events such as a wedding or even a graduation. As you can see, it's really easy to use, and it does a wonderful job highlighting smaller photos. So I hope you enjoy creating amazing layouts with the 3x3 graphic die at home. Thanks for watching, and see more on mosaicmoments.com.